Hey guys, welcome to B6A AutoWorks. It's Parash. Today, we're talking about the brand new port injection kit for the VR30. Let's go check it out. All right guys, so this right here is the brand new plug and play kit for the VR30. This works on Q50s, Q60s, or Nissan Zs, or any other chassis to be honest, which includes the Z34 that has a VR30 in it. This right here, in my opinion, is a long time coming. This is something that the community wanted for a very long time, and we delivered with every part available, right? So what exactly, or why exactly do we need port injection? I feel like this is one of the most important fueling upgrades, or one of the most important upgrades that you can do on the VR30. As you guys know, VR30 comes with direct injection only, and one of the biggest problems that we've had since the inception of modifying these cars is that us running into fueling issues or not having enough fuel for the power we want to go with, right? We've come up with different high pressure fuel pumps, different stages of high pressure fuel pumps, different stages of low pressure fuel pumps, different stages of injectors. However, we are not up to the point where we can run full E85 or higher on any sort of upgraded turbos other than stock turbos. Even on, let's say, pure stage 2s, it's very hard to run full E85. We're always running mixes. Problem with the mixes is that, well, one, you have to mix your 93 and your E85. How many of you do you want to go to the gas station and say, okay, I'm gonna put 3 gallons of 93 and 5 gallons of this, or 4 gallons of this and 6 gallons of this? Well, this fixes that. You don't have to worry about the mix. You can just go to the gas station. Yeah, and you can pump it directly from the pump. Again, like I was saying, you really can't run any E85, or you can't run full 85 on most upgraded turbos out there. Well, this is where everything changes. This is what changes the game. The port injection kit will actually give you 6 more injectors. Not only gives you 6 more injectors, these are infinitely upgradable. What that means is that these right here are 10,000 cc, so 1050cc injectors. We use injector dynamics for our kit. However, you can go 1300, you can go 2200 if you want, and you have basically unlimited fuel as long as your low pressure fuel pump can provide it. You might say, okay, well, I make 700 horsepower on E50 with upgraded turbos. Why do I need this? The reason for that is you have more knock resistance and more cooling with more ethanol, okay? One, you don't have to go to a pump and sit there and calculate how much of this you want, how much of that you want. You can just go to a pump and pump E85 straight from the pump, or go to VP or wherever and get it X98 and dump that into your tank, and this will run it perfectly fine. Secondly, talking about knock resistance. With E60, you only have so much octane. I would say with E60, you're about right around like 100 octane, right? On top of that, there comes a time where it gets hot enough where the cooling capacity of E60 is not going to keep up with the heat demand. That's where full E or higher comes into play. Not only ethanol cools your cylinder temps, it also gives you much more headroom with knock. So more ethanol does not necessarily mean more power. However, with upgraded turbos, they may mean more power, but it means all sorts of safety net that you need on these cars running it hard. Let's see what's included in our port injection kit. First and foremost, you get the billet manifold and rails. As you can see, very thick. We also provide our proprietary plug and play harness. We have the full lines that comes with a Y as well. We are using injector dynamics. A lot of other guys, or whoever you talk to, I'm not sure, they use cheaper Bosch injectors, but in my opinion, those are not good. We recommend injector dynamics only for our kits, or any injector. Fuel injection clinic is pretty good too, but you know, this is where it's at. In order to control all of this, we use Motive's Reflex Plus for the Nissan Z and the Q50, Q60. Along with everything, you also get a flex fuel kit. What this means is that you don't have to buy a flex fuel kit anymore. If you have a flex fuel kit, this is integratable on that as well. The wiring kit actually comes with flex fuel integrated. So there's that as well. You get a fuel pressure sensor for the Reflex. And on top of that, you get a fuel filter as well. And that this is the inline fuel filter. Again, it comes with all of the hardware that you need. This is a full plug and play kit. Another reason this actually makes sense if you don't have anything in your car right now and you want to go full send is that, let's say you want to get a high pressure fuel pump, you want to get a flex fuel kit, and you want to get injectors, right? All of that will run you about $5,000, like close to, when you really think about it. This right now will go on pre-sale for $4,000, and it will do everything that a stage 3 high pressure fuel pump, injectors, and flex fuel does, plus more. Because if you go upgraded turbos, you can only run so much ethanol with that mix, versus this you can run full E all day long, no questions asked. So to end it, this gives you more fueling headroom, this gives you more safety, and for cheaper price you get a lot more. So if you're ready to level up your VR30 fueling, this is the way to go. It will go on sale very soon. Well, thank you for joining us, guys. It means a lot to us. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions regarding the port injection kit, feel free to give us a call at the number listed, or send us an email, or contact us on Instagram. Thank you guys so much.